Tonight you will cook food, maybe rice, maybe meat, maybe something else entirely, and you will not think about it for a single second. But that one act, putting food over heat, changed your brain, changed your bones, changed your entire species. And science is still figuring out exactly how far the change goes. Every animal on this planet eats raw. Lions, gorillas, dolphins, chimpanzees. Not one of them puts food over fire. There is only one animal that does, you. And that is not a small thing. Harvard professor Richard Wrangham proposed a theory that still divides the scientific world. His argument is this: cooking was not just a habit. It was the event that made the human brain possible. To understand why, you need one number. Your brain is 2% of your body weight, but it burns 20% of your resting energy. It is the most expensive organ you own, and to run it, you need dense, high-quality calories. A gorilla spends 6 to 8 hours a day chewing raw leaves, just to extract enough energy to survive. Its brain is small because raw food cannot support a large one. Then came fire. Cooked food does what your stomach does, but earlier. It breaks food down before digestion even begins. That means your body spends less energy processing each meal. And the energy saved had to go somewhere. It went to the brain. Intestines shrank. Teeth got smaller. Faces flattened. And generation by generation, slowly, consistently, the brain got bigger. But here is the part nobody talks about. Cooking did not just change the brain. It changed time. Finding and chewing raw food took hours. Cooked food was faster. More calories, less time. And those saved hours, the empty time that used to go toward chewing, were suddenly available for something else. For talking. For thinking. For planning. For telling stories. Sitting around a fire eating cooked food was not just dinner. It was the first classroom. The first meeting. The first civilization. Anthropologist Polly Wiessner spent years studying campfire conversations. Her finding was striking. Daytime talk was practical. Tracks near the river. Plants ready to harvest. But nighttime conversations around the cooking fire were completely different. Stories. Myths. Memory. The kind of thinking that builds cultures across generations. The cooking fire did not just feed bodies, it fed ideas. And today? You do the same thing every night. You cook food. You sit at a table. You talk. You think it is ordinary. But in 300,000 years of human history, it is the most extraordinary thing any animal has ever done. You are not just cooking dinner. You are doing the thing that made you human.